teman-teman, jumpa dengan Reti lagi. Kali ini ada permintaan. This is like the request from Vanessa that I have to make rendang. Jadi kali ini saya akan membuat rendang khusus untuk Vanessa. Kita ikuti yuk. Oke, jadi semua bawang kita chop dan kita akan blender ya. Bawang merah, yaitu 5 bawang merah. Kemudian kita mempunyai 12 siung bawang putih. So this is all the garlics we need. Ya kan? Because this is for Vanessa. Vanessa, this is you call candlenut. But if you don't have any candlenut, you can skip this one, okay? This is like original Indonesian recipe for the rendang. But since you going to cook it, we're going to eliminate if you don't have it. But I'm going to use it now. Around the ginger, around 50 gram. And then this is, you call it kapolaga, cardamon. Yes, this much. And we have the cloves like this. And also we have galangga. I already cut the galangga because I didn't find the fresh one. So this one is about 50 grams. Okay, we're going to blend this one. Because this is not that spicy chili, yeah. This is kinds of sweet, but the original one has to be a very red chili and very hot and spicy. For 1 kilo's beef, we're going to use about 2 ounces of the chili, but this one is only 2, just to see it red later on. We're going to add paprika for you. To get it a little bit more mixture, we're going to use the water, yes, and then we will see and blend until fine. So we're going to need like 5 of tablespoons of oil to soak this ingredient, the blend ingredient. So we have to cook the oil until it's really hot. Then we will start. So this is, you soak all the ingredient that mix until blend. And then we're going to see and then the aroma is come out, okay Vanessa, and then we will see the brownish colors. After they brown, then we can add the rest of the ingredients. For us to add another ingredient, we have coriander, like this much, and we have the cumin, around 1 as well. Okay, cumin powder. And this is the turmeric, and then we need this much as well, turmeric. And a little bit of half of this is nutmeg. Yes, some people doesn't use nutmeg, but I use it for my recipe. To mix it a little bit red, as I told you, we need the paprika for you. So we're going to need like 2 spoons of paprika. So this is the cream coconut milk, and I use it 600 ml for 1 kilo's beef. So some people cut a little bit larger, but not too small, okay? Because if you cutting too small, it's going to be a very like shrink and will be very small. So this is what I cut. Okay, and then we'll see. We put all the beef here to the sauce that we already made. This is the star anise, and This one is like a tamarind, but this call it asam Kandis or asam lempeng. And then you're going to have cinnamon, and then Indonesian bay leaf. I know it's black just because we don't have any fresh one. So we're going to need lime leaf. If you don't find Indonesian bay leaf in your area, just use lime leaf. The most important thing is this lemongrass. Yes, turmeric leaf, just because I plant it at home in my garden. For you, Vanessa, you can skip one of these, but you have to find this lime leaf, and don't forget to have this one to get the aroma come out. And then I like to have my just use one of the others. So I'm not going to use the bay leaf, I'm going to use the lime leaf. Then we have to cut this way. So you will need around 3 of them. Stir well. This is the up part. You have to be patient to get into the nice textures of the rendang. You're going to see like the water added itself because the meat is just become watery, and the mixing like this. This is the sugar. I need only 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3 of teaspoon of salt. Mix it like this, you know. Then we'll put the lid on the top, the stove a little bit in the low heat. But you have to watch all the time, okay? We'll see. To make this kind of rendang, the rendang can be wet and can be dry, but we're going to make a little bit not too wet but not too dry either. So it will take around 2.5 hours with preparations and become a rendang ready to eat. If you use the beef not too soft, then we need a little bit water to make sure that the beef is soft. Vanessa, this is the rendang almost done, but it is done if you like the rendang is not too dry. So this is enough. But then if you think that the rendang is still tough, you can put the water again and simmer it until the water's gone, and then you only see the sauce of the rendang, right? If you didn't finish it in one time, you can store this rendang, because that rendang, the more you put it, the tastier they are. Okay? Good luck! This is my rendang, Vanessa, for you special. We made it just now. It takes almost 2.5 hours to make it like this, but make sure you will choose the good beef to start with, okay? Because you are a beginner. And then tell me if you can do it. See you! Udah?
Very really good.
See, Vanessa.
Not every day it tastes like this.
Yes, this is a special recipe for Vanessa, okay? Nah teman-teman, dengan berakhirnya dimakan rendang oleh si bungsu, maka berakhir pula kesempatan pertemuan kita hari ini. Sampai jumpa di resep yang akan datang. Salam!